This is a live trade that I'm doing in MARICO. So setup is very simple, right? So MARICO yesterday, even though the markets were very weak, the FMCG pack of stocks was doing very well, and MARICO stood out amongst them because it was a beautiful close near the uh, recent highs, and it has been consolidating near the highs, and it made a bullish kicker pattern. And today morning I bought it at the open as soon as it crossed this high, and right now the price is up close to 26 rupees from my entry, 25 rupees from my entry, and the target evaluation here is pretty simple. There are 2 points which we can connect and then just extrapolate it, so it should come somewhere around 668 is my expectation. Let's see if it works out as the trade proceeds. Right now my stop loss is low of the day. So I hope this was useful. If it is useful, do definitely like and subscribe. Show some love. Thank you very much. Bye bye.